If you're having network issues on your iPhone where you're unable to make calls, send text, or use data effectively, then let me show you a few different things that we can try to help fix this. We'll take a look at 5 different options that will hopefully get you going. The first and the easiest is trying to toggle on and off airplane mode. To do this, start by finding and then opening the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Once you're inside of here, at the top, you'll see airplane mode. All you want to do is tap the toggle on the right to turn this on. Wait about 30 seconds and then turn it back off. This will reset the network connection that you're currently on. Another quick thing that we can try to do while we're right here is turning on and off our Bluetooth. Sometimes Bluetooth connections can interfere with our network connectivity. While you're right here, you'll see Bluetooth. Choose this, and then at the top, toggle Bluetooth off. Once you do this, you'll lose connection to any Bluetooth device that you're currently on. Again, wait about 30 seconds and then turn this back on. The next 2 options that we're going to look at deal with our carrier connectivity. Head back to the main settings menu, and then first we're going to manually select our network carrier. Right below Bluetooth, choose Cellular. Inside of the second section, you'll see Network Selection with your carrier on the right. Choose this. Inside of here, tap the slider at the top to turn off automatic. Once you do this, you'll then see a list of all of the available carriers on your phone. At this point, manually select the carrier that you use, and then restart your iPhone. To do that, just press and hold the volume up and the side button at the same time until you get the power slider. Slide the power option at the top until it turns off, and then press and hold the side button to turn it back on. Once you do this, your phone will then manually be selected to your carrier. The next thing that we're going to try inside of Cellular is making sure that we're using the correct network settings like 5G or LTE. Head back again to the Cellular menu here, and then at the top, choose Cellular Data Options. Inside of this next menu, tap Voice and Data. From the list here, just make sure that you have the latest network selected. Or if you're having issues on 5G, you can also try to switch it over to LTE to see if that helps. I, for instance, usually just keep mine to 5G auto, so it knows what best to use in each situation. And finally, if none of these options have helped yet, the last thing that we can try to do is reset all of our network settings. Head back to the main settings menu. Inside of here, scroll down a little bit and then find and choose General. Inside of General, scroll all the way to the bottom and then you'll see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose this. At the bottom here, tap Reset. Here you'll see Reset Network Settings. When you reset all of your network settings, you're not going to be deleting your iPhone or losing anything. But what you will be doing is losing all of your saved Wi-Fi networks and their passwords. Also, if you use anything like a VPN or an APN, those settings are going to be lost, as well as any of the custom cellular options that we've set. It's just going to wipe everything back to default. So the biggest thing here to remember that I always tell everybody is just make sure that you know your Wi-Fi networks and their passwords before you go forward with this. So when you're ready, tap Reset Network Settings. Enter in your passcode and then confirm the reset. After that, your iPhone will then reset all of its network settings and then restart. Once the iPhone powers back up, all of the network settings will be reset and you'll need to reconnect to any Wi-Fi networks that you were connected to in the past. So there's 5 different things that you can try if you're having issues with network connections on your iPhone. Hopefully one of them worked for you, but if not, or if you have another solution, you can always leave a comment below. And that's how you fix network issues on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.